Welcome to the PokeMark demo. I've prepared a list of all the features we'll be looking at together. We'll start with the story and the conditional system. This is the history section, which means that when you connect to a stream, in this case your own stream, all the auction, break, and stream values will appear here. For convenience, I will insert 2 manual values, and at the end of the video, I will show you how it actually works with a real stream. For now, I have added the first value, and you can already see that some data is already present in the list. The conditional system is activated when a rule is completed. For example, I added a rule: if the same user appears in the history twice or more than twice, the chosen animation will be triggered. This is useful when a user buys multiple packs. You can trigger an animation with their name and increase engagement. Now I'll insert the same user for the second time. If everything is correct, the animation with the user's name will appear here. As you can see, hot user Mark has appeared in this preview. Of course, the appearance of all this can be changed with any effect. The quality in the stream is higher than in this preview. Let's move on to the pack logic. In this small window, you can enter the minimum guaranteed packs and how much users must spend to fill the bar and unlock additional packs. As users win your auctions and are added to the history, this bar will update. The result is greater audience engagement, and they'll be more likely to purchase your packs. I will add a new value to show you that the bar will change. You can also see the amount to unlock more. Let's move on to point 3. Database, rank, tier, and horizontal strip. As you can see, I've added many of the Pokemon sets here, but there are also other versions of the program. YugiMark, Yu-Gi-Oh!, MarkGic, VeeFriends, and Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball has already been added in the latest version. The sets you see here are the official ones, but nothing stops you from using a completely custom set. Here in the database, you can easily organize all your cards and assign them a custom rank and tier. You can also derank certain cards so they're not used. The numbers you set here in the database will be applied to your dashboard, OBS, and your live stream. For example, Charizard is positioned in first place because we have set the rank 1. If I change Charizard with Charmeleon, it will also be updated here in the dashboard. The tier can be customized in any way from the options. You can change the color, insert new tiers with custom name. You are free to organize the cards as you like. The Mark button allows you to speed up the process. All the logic you are seeing is identical for all other variants. Each variant has its own database, ranks, and tiers. Of course, the entire dashboard updates every time you modify the database or sell a card, even the horizontal strip. You can swap the package you want to use in 1 second from the container menu. With a click in the panel, you can preview the card to your viewers. You can quickly sell cards in a variety of ways, including clicking with the mouse, using keyboard shortcuts, or dragging with the mouse. Take a close look at these 6 custom icons. These are the icons linked to the cards. The database is divided into 3 parts: cards, icons, and animations. Each card can have both icons and animations linked to it to enhance the final result of your show. For example, I have an animation linked to Charizard. I can decide to play this Charizard animation at any time. It's possible to have 1 animation per card. It's simply your choice whether to have a lot of animations or just the most important ones. If I sell Charizard, which is number 1, number 7 appears in the list. If you reset Charizard, everything will automatically update according to the rank you gave your cards. Visually, you can also show a glow around the ranks. In the case of Charizard, we assigned a rank god and I assigned the color red. Let's take a look at the options. As mentioned before, you can customize everything: the colors, the position of the elements, the borders, the glow, the opacity, really everything. One effect I particularly like is the rainbow effect, which can make the cards you show look precious. You can mix this effect with other effects like shimmer or glossy. And you can organize tiers and card types as I mentioned before. Now let's try a real live. Imagine that this is your live stream. When an auction is over, the magic begins. All the bid data is automatically transferred to the program, the pack bar activates, and the entire system starts working. The real names of the users, the amounts, the conditional system, everything works like a gear in a factory. The program collects the remaining spots, prices, and from those results controls the custom animations, titles, bar, effects. Thanks for exploring PokeMark with me. I'll leave you with a list of potential questions and answers. Ciao!